Better than new. Custom wood double door entry. Eat-in kitchen Bose custom cabinets to ceiling with undermount lighting, two-tone nickel and brass hammered Farmhouse zinc granite spice rack and cookie sheet drawers, hidden trash bins, huge island west/bar seating, stove pot filler and walk-in pantry. Real laundry room west/custom wood platform for washer/dryer. DBL sided fireplace in living/den floor outlets. Diagonally laid hardwood floors. Custom fit blinds. The dream of a master suite features office/sitting area, dual walk-in closets, separate vanities, spacious tile shower west/stone accents, built-in seat plus shelves and 2 shower heads. Hardwired speaker sound system throughout. Exterior mounted Bose speakers on deck. 3rd central HVAC for unfinished bonus room. 3 exterior waterspouts. Walk-in crawlspace.